Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to learn peace sign from Boku no Hero Academia, or My Hero Academia. I'm following a great piano tutorial I found on YouTube, and I will post that in the description so that you can follow along and see the scrolling piano version. But here we're gonna see what are the hands doing. So we're gonna start with the melody. I'm on C above middle C, and my hand's in a 5-finger position, but my third finger, instead of on E, is gonna be on E flat. So I'm playing a C minor 5-finger scale. Here we go. And up to my third finger, G, F, D, E flat, G, F, D. And now push your hand in the piano, open up your thumb, and play both of these notes. Or you can just play the E flat, but I like the 2 notes. Then we have 4 E flats above middle C. Now we're gonna come back to this position, but our hand's gonna be moving a lot more. So watch, we play 3 notes, and then up to the B flat right here. So let go of the E flat, down to F, then up to A flat, G, now down to C. There we go. And then C, D, E flat again. I would play the next 3 notes with my third finger on F. F, G, A flat, and now walk back down, G, F, E flat. See, now I don't have to use my thumb, I just use my long fingers to get to that black note. Now 3 Fs, and then G 3 times. Sorry, 4 times. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. And now we do the same thing, but the ending's different. Oh, there we go. Let me play that again. There we go. Move your hand. This part's a little different. Step down, step down, step down, and now F, 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 E flat. Instead of F, 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 G, 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 it's F, 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 E flat. Now the next part, we have to move our hands. I would move your second finger down to B flat. So it was here, and now we're moving down to here. B flat, C, E flat. Now step down to D, and then back to B flat. You're gonna play another B flat, but switch your hand so you play it with your 4th finger, because that's gonna set you up to play the next notes in this position. So from here, we go up to C, back to B flat, step down, 2 more Gs, and then down to F, crossover, play E flat, back to B, F, B flat, A flat, G, G, good game. Let me play that part again, but without speaking. Switch. Okay, and now this part, we're gonna play these 4 notes. So place your hand in a position where you can play all 4. Thumb on G, second finger on B flat, third finger on C, pinky on E flat. So we're gonna go like that. 1 note at a time going up, and then step down to D, B flat, switch your hand, move your hand so that you can play your pinky on C, 2 Cs, and then back to B flat, step down, 3 Gs after that 1 G you just played, and then go down to F, step up to A flat, step down, and then cross over and end on E flat. Then you're gonna play the whole thing again, but it is gonna, the only 2 differences, one is it starts here, and then there's like 1 or 2 little note differences here. So I'll point them out as we go. That was the new start of this section. Right here, we went up to C and played it twice, but instead we're going to repeat the B flat, go up to C, and then back down to B flat. Okay, so make sure you watch that part carefully because it's play a G and then you play 3 more. The fingering's important, but more than that is if you're learning this, just keep using the same fingering. It'll be easier to learn. Okay, left hand. Left hand is actually pretty simple. I'm going to take a lot of the rhythms out, and we're just going to be holding the notes, okay? If you want to play the rhythm more, I suggest you just watch the scrolling piano tutorial. So we're going to have A flat. This is going all the way back to the beginning. Then B flat, B natural, C. Notice my fingering here, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then I'm going to pick up my hand or cross over and play E flat. So these 5 notes, and with the other hand, it sounds like this. Again, I'm just holding these notes for simplicity, but you can do the, okay? But right now we're just gonna hold them. Then I go up to the B flat, and I only hold it for 2 notes. And on the F and the D, that's where I play the B natural. And now, as I go up to E flat, I come up to C. And then my last E flat is played with these 2 notes. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the next part, we've got the same notes minus the B, and then we're also going to be playing a G. Oh, I guess we will play a B, but it's going to be after this part. So we're going up again, but we're just not playing the B natural. After that, we're going to play a G, a B, and a C. So the left hand is, and then, okay, that's not the exact rhythm, but now when I add my other hand, we'll kind of see the rhythm. They're going to mostly play together. And then on the E flat, comes up to the B flat, and then on the F, that's where you play the C. And then when you come down to C, you play the E flat. So my hands are always playing together. This part, they're not going to. So I play these 3 notes, then the G. Then they'll play together on the A flat. I'm playing a B here. And then together on the E flat. Now I play my repeating notes on my right hand. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Same thing here. Okay. You can watch the scrolling piano tutorial and see it at full speed and really hear the rhythm of each part. We're not focused on half notes and whole notes and quarter notes and things like that. We're just trying to get the fingering and when the hands play together. That's one of the hardest things to get. So now for this next part, my left hand only has 3 notes to play: C, F, and B flat. So put your hand in a position where you can play all 3 of those: C, F, and B flat. You might also want to add a G at some parts, and I'll show you where. So right here we go like this. We'll play E flat and a C together. Okay, and where you can add the G is as it goes up. You can add it on the note before the E flat. Kind of adds a little momentum to the music. Switch your hand there, remember that. As I come back down to the B flat here, that's where I go down to F in my left hand. Then as I come down to the F, that's B flat, my other hand, crossover, back. And then on the A flat, that's where they play together. And then again, here's that 4th finger position. I can either play, or I can play. Okay, all I'm doing is playing right hand, and then on the C, I play a G in my left hand, and then on the E flat, I play a C in my left hand. And then Then as I come down to the B flat, there's the F in my left hand, 3 Gs, and then on the F, very similar. Playing B flat in my left hand. Okay, and then I'm gonna play that part again, and you're gonna see how similar it is. But this time I'm just gonna play instead of talking. So. So right there, I play the E flat, then I play the C. Pretty sure that's what I also said earlier, but just in case I didn't, this most of the time it's playing, your hands play together, but here it's separate. All right, have fun. I love this song. Good luck, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Also, make sure and like and subscribe. Have a good one.